Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pair of gemstone flower earrings using our Bezel Gemstone Charms. First, you can go ahead and take one of your jump rings and connect that U charm to your earring hook. Next, you can go ahead and take another jump ring and connect one of your Bezel charms to the longer end of your U charm. You can go ahead and close that jump ring. And then next, you are going to take another jump ring and connect one end of your flower connector to the shorter end of your U charm. Then you can go ahead and close that jump ring. And then next, you can go ahead, taking another jump ring, connect your other Bezel charm to the end of your flower connector. You can go ahead and close that jump ring and you are all done, and you can just repeat the same steps for the other earring. Here's another picture. You can check out our channel for more designs.